Hi guys, I don't know if anybody's interested, but I thought I would do not an unboxing. It's just something I stored it in. Slide it over there. If you're interested, I'll show you that way anyway. So, you know when you're getting your spices from your local Spar or your local whatever, any supermarket or wherever you go. So I thought I'd have a look online. So I might just show you this and show you. I'll put a link where I got them from anyway. Chili flakes. The smell now is amazing in here. You know me and my cooking. Rib spice. Okay. What else we got? Ginger powder. Because we're always buying ginger if we're not in the bit. It's always awkward, isn't it? So if you can buy it in the packets. They came in these packets, which is like, I'm going to spoil the, because they come in cardboard, a little bit of plastic on the back. So Mexican spice. Oh, let's have a look. Let's see what the ingredients are anyway. Mexican spice ingredients: ginger, coriander, salt, hominy. Right, there it is. Grits, caraway, onions, sweet paprika, garlic, hot paprika, and chili. A bit of a exorcism when you feel the dish is seasoned with Mexican cuisine. Okay. So this one is ginger, which is a type of, yeah, we know that. Rib spice, let's have a quick look. Oh, rib spice. Chili flakes, chili flakes, says it all. Alright. So this is 400 grams, of the other ones are 200 grams each. So this is chicken spice. Oh, there we go, well, that's unusual. And the last one, which I was really after, which will garlic salt, contains garlic salt. So now it all comes in cardboard. I've spoiled it a bit because I've ordered these, which is what they call them, Nalgene bottles. So, but they were really cheap. I know it's plastic, I'm sorry, but it is reusable plastic and I will keep them forever, I promise. Okay. So I've got, what have I got? How many spices have I got? So I'm going to put the garlic salt in. It says, I've worked it out in litres and millilitres, what sizes I would need. So I've bought them. Just got one extra. So there's no smell. So that's cool. So I'm going to try and pour garlic salt into one of these. I'll put a link where I got the Nalgene bottles from, and I'll put a link where I got the spices from down below if anybody's interested. Okay, so there we go. Oops, sorry. I'm spilling if I can. Smells beautiful. They should all fit in here, according to Google. Oh, it's going to be so close. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you can smell that. A good sniff, go on. Beautiful. Right, so that one's done. So that's, yeah, so these should be 400 grams then. So let's try that one. So I'm boring you, I do apologise, I'm just showing you what I'm playing at. It's like another vlog, just what we're doing. It's going to be a bit of a wet day today, I believe. Oh, I'll tell you what I'm going to do before I do any more. I'm going to write on the bottles. So where's the first packet? Where are we? On the floor. And we know where we are then. And I'll put the date as well. And a nice little Sharpie, pink. So G, I'll do it in capitals. A R L I C. Oh, I put G. Hold on. LIC. And now I've gone into normal writing. Okay, let's have a look. 11. 20. 21. And there we go. Let's just see if one more fits, and I won't bore you anymore. So let's do this first. Oh, I'm not going to tell you what. I'm not going to draw on it until it fits. If it doesn't fit, I have to save some into the other one. Here we go. Oh, yeah, smell that. Have a whiff of that. Chicken spice. 450 grams. Do you reckon it's going to fit in there? If that was, what's that one? 950 grams. It's not going to fit in there, is it? I'll tell you what I'll do. Before I do that one, I'm going to do a 200 grams in one of these. Let's do the chili. Let's do rib spice. 200 grams. 200 grams. There we go. Ribs. I have another whiff of that one. Spilt a bit. This is a bit lumpy. That's fine. Fine. It's fine. Do you know, if that's 200 grams, right, that's not going to fit. 450 is not going to fit in them. So I'll have to use the bigger one, I think. I'll chuck that outside. Right, okay, so put the lid on that one. Oh, me and my writing. Rib spice, right, that's 9th, 2021. Rib spice. Okie doke, so it looks like then I'm going to have to put, yeah, definitely. Oh, that smells nice, that does. Chicken spice in here. It's another bit lumpy, well not lumpy, but because we use a lot of chicken. That's probably why I bought these quantities. Ah! I was stuck on the packet. Should be alright. Put a bit back in there. There we go. Okay, I'll wipe this up. Chicken spice. Oh, there we go. That'll do. I'll carry on with the rest. You don't want to see any more. I'll put the names on this one. So chicken spice. the date on that one? I think they're all the same. The 11th. Oh, it's 11th. 2021. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, I'll put a link in the description where I got the Nalgene bottles from. I'll also put a link in the description where I got all the spices from, just in case you're looking for something like that, nice and cheap. I think I can put the prices. I don't know what they were, but I've got the receipt, so I'll put the price as well. They were really actually come to about £29 for all of it, which is cheap considering you buy one of those small little jars with flakes in, it's £2.90. So, you know, and you only get what? You get grams, about, what do you get? 30 grams, if that? Anyway, there you go. Thanks very much. Take care. Subscribe, like, and notification bell. New videos this end. All the best. See you in the next video. Show you this, didn't I? Here we go. If you can see that, is it in focus? There we go. Okay, so I have where are we? 250 ml. I've not used them. I have 2 of the 1000 ml. So these two. So you can see the difference how they took up. Oh no, that's 750. So 1000 ml, that's 750 in there. That wasn't it yet? Chicken spice, that was 400, so that's fine. And now this is a bit of a difference. I was going to show you, this is why I brought it back up again. Okay, so here we go. So we got 4, right, here we go, 4 500 ml bottles, and the spices are 200 ml. So is that 200? Yeah, so 4 500 ml. The packs contain 200 ml. So if you look at the difference, look at the chili flakes. That's to the top. Look at that. 200 ml, because they're sliced as well and they're flakes, as opposed to the spicy rib. Almost half. So yeah, there you go. Just thought I'd show you that. So Mexican spice, a lot less than the ginger powder. So depending on the density of the spices and the rubs, I mean, they're all the same weight, so 200, so all 200 bottles, all 200 grams, all of them, all the spices and the rakes, see, 200 grams, 200 grams, and yet the density of the, so that's one thing to watch out for. Just thought I'd show you that. All right, thank you very much. Again, once again. Smells beautiful in here. Take care. Bye.